Well, good morning. I'm just doing this little video here this morning. You gotta really like that guy up there in North Dakota. I don't know his name, personal name, but he's Farming 4G, which is Farming for Generations. So, and I'm assuming 4 generations is how many generations that farm has been in that family. I'm assuming that. He did a nice video on his cattle, which I liked. He went around and in the yard, his pasture, and was talking about the cattle and how they had become gentle, more and more gentle. And I relate to that. I mean, I have goats, so goats and cattle are two different things, obviously, but goats are very destructive. I mean, cows get out, and they can be destructive as well, but these guys they want to jump on everything. If there's a little bit of a space to get out, they're going to get out. You put electric fence up for a pasture, forget it. It does not work. It have to be a chain link fence or a wooden fence that goes all the way around that they can't get through, because they're going to get through. Little electricity is not going to stop them. So, but as far as the he did a thing where he had a couple of them attack a little bit, and he had to bop them on the head with a stick, and then he said he felt bad. And I've done that with these guys too. They jump on me when I'm in there, and then you turn around and you bop them on the head with a fork or something, and man, your heart just sinks afterward. You're like, oh man. And then you just start learning. I do not know what that noise was. Oh, it's a cat. That cat's making some weird noise. Are you making weird noises over there? You're gonna get sick? Yeah. Sick. It ate too much. So while I'm doing this video, cat got sick. It ate too much, and it was some kind of problem. Feel better, do you, after throwing up? Anyway, see, you feel bad about the animals. But yeah, it was a nice video. I'm just saying that it was a nice video, because you get to learn your animals, whether it be cows or chickens or goats like I have. And these two guys, these 2 bucks here will be here forever. I'm not selling them. And I'll be either dead or they'll die here on this farm. Now I know everybody else is pretty much game. You just have to deal with it. One day they're going to be meat. And believe it or not, if you don't know, there's a lot of cultures out there, and a lot of that culture is goat meat now. And it's a very good meat. People just go, oh, it's a goat. Well, and they don't get it. But eat some once. Just go to a restaurant that has goat meat and have them cook up a nice steak. It's really good. It's tasty. It's way better than any steak you will buy from a cow almost. I'm telling you, it's so good. Slow cook it there. You can, good stuff. Anyway, Sorry, goats. They're probably thinking, hey, talking about us eating us? But yeah, there are people waiting for these goats to be born, and they just come and buy them up, and pretty good cash. Anyway, I related to that guy because you do get attached to them. My goats, that as soon as they're born, I take them away. I become the parent, and you know, they're very tame. That's the whole key in this. That's what he was trying to say. Is that, you know, the tamer they are, the better it is that you can deal, you know, with handling them in the day-to-day process of moving them to the pasture, or just, you know, for me, I have to clip their hooves, and so it's very handling animals is very difficult at times. You know, you got the more you get, the harder it is to deal with. You know, I'm going to have a herd sometimes of around 50 at times, you know, or more. They're little ones, and then they're all going to go, yeah. But you got to deal with it. You have to deal with it. It's just life. That goat's going to go there and smell that puke. Yeah, there she goes. Thinking, hey, what is this stuff? You won't eat it though. But yeah. All right. Well, I got things I got to get done today. I'm gonna finish up another pen over at Trudy's. I dread this now because it's so much. I couldn't even finish. It's just a lot of work. You get that many animals, and in one area, 5 months of manure. Again, you know, if I had a skid steer, I probably could have done it in a 6-7 hour day. All that manure, but having to drive all the way to the back of the barn or the farm, there, one, you know. But with that little tractor, you know, it's doing its job. I'm not going to kick on it. Or if I had manure forks for it instead of just a bucket or grapples, that'd make a difference too. But you know, it's doing its job. Can't kick on it. So anyway, dealing with animals it's a different breed of anything in farm life. You know, you can say all you want, oh, it's not that hard to deal with animals, but it is. It definitely is. You know, you gotta make sure they're always okay. You gotta watch them. She's gonna be due here, and I could any time. You know, so you have to look and make sure she's okay. Not any discharge yet, but you know, you look at her bag and it starts to fill up. You know, it's not anywhere yet, but it will be here in the next week or two. It'll start getting bigger and filling up with milk. And she's pretty much due. Any couple weeks, a week, could be coming. So anyway, I just wanted to get that out about the animals. It's very, if you don't know, just get a few and you'll see after a while they can be taxing. Alright, got
It's dark, but we did her. I got to put the back window in yet. But other than that, we're all done. We got that pen, the one on the end on, and they're clean. Just got this side to do yet. A lot of manure. Lots of manure. I mean, maybe. I ripped my pants. Oh, well. Okay, so anyway, I'm heading over to get this back window in and turn these lights out and go home. And thanks for watching. Yeah, Boogie. And I'm sorry, I just don't want to keep filming the same thing, but I wanted to show you that it looks so much nicer when they're clean. Lots of manure. Subscribe, people. Talk to you later. Bye.